Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is one-horned rhinos population increased census. Recently, a 3-day census was conducted in Assam's Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve, that is KNPTR. It began on March 26 and continued till March 28. The census showed the periodic count of the one-horned rhinoceros. This was the first time that drones were used to survey the animals. Earlier this month, rhino censuses were carried out in other national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in the state. Key highlights of the census are: the population of one-horned rhinoceros increased by 200 over the last 4 years in KNPTR. The rhino counts at Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve stood at 2,613. It showed an increase of 200 rhinos over the last count of 2,413 conducted in 2018. Kaziranga has a healthy population of rhinos despite casualties due to natural deaths, floods and infighting. Reduction in poaching has also benefited the species. Now, information about one-horned rhino. It is also known as the Indian rhino. It is the largest of the rhino species. Its scientific name is Rhinoceros unicornis. It is identified by a single black horn about 8 to 25 inches long. They primarily graze with a diet consisting almost entirely of grasses as well as leaves. Conservation status of one-horned rhino is vulnerable and population increasing in IUCN Red List and Appendix 1 of the CITES. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.